Welcome back, everyone. We've got some very special guests for you today. That's right, we're talking about sharks. Welcome back to another installment in our video series showcasing the wonderful animals we have in the oceans off the Central Coast of California. We're really excited to be putting together these videos in collaboration with the San Luis Obispo County Public Libraries. My name is Andy and I work here at the Central Coast Aquarium teaching people about these amazing creatures. So let's get started. Now, sharks are pretty famous, sometimes for the wrong reasons. There are over 400 species of shark around the world. Only about 12 of them are actually dangerous to humans. That means the rest of them are perfectly harmless and pretty amazing. Central California has about 30 species of shark. And although the largest sharks get the most attention, like the white shark, the small sharks are important too. You may not see them as much because they tend to live on the bottom of the ocean and eat small things. Sharks like these eat small invertebrates, like crabs, snails, and sea urchins. They're important predators that help keep the populations of other animals in balance, and they're perfectly harmless to people. Now, unlike some of the other animals we've met in different videos, sharks are vertebrates. That means that they do have skeletons. But one of the many things that makes sharks special is that their skeletons aren't made up of bone. Instead, they're made up of cartilage. To know what cartilage feels like, take 2 fingers and gently feel the bridge of your nose. That feels pretty hard, just like bone. It's actually a special structure that our bodies make called cartilage. Shark bodies make it too, and it makes up their entire skeleton, including their jaw. This shark jaw is big and strong, but it's made of cartilage. These cartilaginous skeletons help biologists classify sharks differently from other fish. We can also see the specialized teeth that sharks have. Notice how they have several rows of teeth. As the shark grows, these teeth open up like a conveyor belt. They shed the outer teeth, and a new one comes in to take its place. Another fascinating thing about sharks is their skin. While many fish are covered in scales, sharks are covered in tiny, teeth-like projections called dermal denticles. The term dermal denticles literally means little skin teeth. These denticles are incredibly hard and strong, which offer good protection to the animal. They're made up of substances called dentin, which is found in our teeth, and collagen, a strong protein. There are grooves and ridges along the denticles that reduce drag and allow the animal to swim quickly and quietly, which makes them excellent hunters. Sharks are also special because they have a 6th sense. Although some sharks have good vision and many have an excellent sense of smell, sharks also rely on a special sense called electroreception. Special structures called ampullae of Lorenzini, which are embedded in the shark's skin, help the shark sense electrical impulses made by other animals' heartbeats. This makes them excellent hunters, even when their prey is buried under the sand. Let's meet 2 of our local shark species, the swell shark and the horn shark. Can you guess which one is which? The swell shark, which is the darker of the two, gets its name from its defensive strategy. When this shark feels threatened or scared, it will curl up into a tiny ball and swallow a whole bunch of water so that it swells up to a larger size. This helps wedge it into the rocks where it's hiding and prevent predators from grabbing it and eating it. This shark is nocturnal and likes to hang out on the seafloor in or near rocks. These animals are very docile, and it's safe to observe them up close. The other species we see here is the horn shark. Horn sharks get their name from the two spines they have at the front of each dorsal fin. These spines are pretty harmless, but nobody wants to get stabbed by one. This animal is also nocturnal and likes to live in rocks, where it feels safe. Like all fish, shark babies are hatched out of eggs. For some shark species, the egg hatches inside the mother's body, and then a fully formed shark is born once it's fully developed. For the two species of sharks that we've talked about, the swell shark and the horn shark, as well as many other species of stingrays, eggs are laid in special cases that protect and anchor the egg while it develops. We call these egg cases mermaid's purses. This egg case comes from a swell shark. This one comes from a horn shark. The egg cases are made of collagen, which is a tough protein that feels a bit like leather and keeps the egg safe. Mermaid's purses also have tendrils that wrap around kelp or rock, keeping the egg case from being carried away by waves or tides. After about 9 to 12 months, the swell shark egg will be ready to hatch. We hope you learned something new and interesting today about the amazing sharks that live in our coasts. And remember, they're interesting, not scary. You can come meet one for yourself here at the aquarium. Until next time, have a great day.